Hi, in front of me is Realme 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening settings, then scroll all the way down, click on additional settings and go into keyboard and the input method. Click on keyboard that you're currently using, in my case keyboard, and go into theme. Now click on show more to see all available options, and when you're done you can pick a color, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them and click apply. You can also scroll down, download one of these images by clicking on the chosen one and do the same. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!